Good afternoon to those who listen. January 29th, 2019, 3:55 p.m. So much for taking a day off. God won't let me. We get a halo, although all we can see is the sundog parts. I know they're hiding a halo. And there's another one on the other side, but I don't think you can see it from here. I'm going to put it out there. It's on the other side. Someone else coming home. I don't know if it caught anything. If it is, it would be in those trees, but I think it's even farther over that way. Just had those sundogs a couple days ago, and now it's here again. I don't know if turning the, no, I don't think that helps at all. So back to default, and just want to say too, tonight is supposed to be super cold. Tonight we're supposed to get down to the actual temperature minus 29, and let's up with the simulator. And the actual the wind chill is supposed to be minus 50. Is there something happening that I'm missing here? It looked round, and then it started looking weird and deformed. There's some weird chem haze too, and look at this bottom of this halo over here, where the sundog is below. To the right and to below. It looks darker. Looks darker part of the sky. And do I see? I'm not sure. My naked eye kind of looks like a triangle, but I'm not sure. This thing kind of just appeared too out of nowhere. There was like no clouds, and then all of a sudden this weird thin, I think chemtrail clouds just suddenly appeared out of nowhere, and then blam, there's sundog. I couldn't see this one on the road. I saw the other one on the right side while I was driving. Couldn't see the left one, but I'm on the more southern, looking south from the window. Did you guys see all the snow we've gotten? It's like, jeez. That's drifting snow over here in the neighbor's yard, but look at how high it is. Come on. Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh there. But don't worry, things will somehow work out according to God's will. Sometimes I just think I can take anymore. I can't see the rest of the halo. If there truly is a halo. I'm not saying there is one for sure, but it just looks like to me like that's just a part of it. The sundog part is just part of that halo. But again, I can't say that for 100% certainty. It does look like there's something going on with that sundog, though. So why is it flashing? Nowhere near the sun. Well, I guess I can. Now I'm away from the sun. I don't know. I'm going to lower the brightness just for the sun part. Sun simulator. I don't think that helps us see this. Although I can see it shining through just barely. Alright, I'm going to look one more time with default. See if we can see it over here. I doubt it. I'm just sticking my arm out. Ouch. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless. God, good, better days have to be coming. They just have to. God bless.